Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Harbor Freight email and a 30% off coupon with any items under $10. Pretty much I've been out on vacation and it's been a while before I uploaded any videos. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Go ahead and get started with this. The first thing that I have is the 30% off coupon. That's probably what you guys clicked on the video. Yeah, we do have a 30% off coupon. It says right here, it says any item under $10, limit 5, valid now through August 3rd. So I try to upload it as soon as I saw this. I did see this on the social media, Facebook. I seen it on Facebook, Twitter. So everybody's like tweeting or posting this coupon, and I'm pretty sure that some of the guys are getting them over the mail or something like that. Because if you guys see the picture, it kind of looks like it's from the mail, and there's a lot of posts that people are getting stuff already. So I guess it is working. You guys feel free to try this out, see if it works. It just like the other, pretty much like the other coupons. And also I do have a video, 5 items. Well, I have a couple videos, 5 items that you can get with the 30% off coupon. Yeah, a few of those videos. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the email. The email that we have is we got everything must go. Sale starts today. I got this a few days back, actually. It says valid through 8/31. So you got a whole month before this is pretty much gone, we got the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts, $199.99. I do have a coupon if you guys need it. We do have a coupon for $169.99. Only on the blue, black, and red. These only. You guys could feel free to try those out on this. I do have a video on that coupon that you guys could. It's valid. I believe it's valid through December 2019. So you guys still have a few months to get that. Anyways, I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, then just leave me a comment down below or something, and I'll post a link at the bottom of the comments or the description. So just look for it around the video. Yeah. So we got that 5-drawer mechanics card. Like I said, we got a coupon for $169.99, and we do have another coupon for $189.99, which is cheaper than this. Let's see here. Rapid pump 1.5. Yeah, these are mostly for light duty or lighter duty, smaller cars. It's only 1.5 pounds, so just keep that in mind. Don't lift up the truck with this, because I'm not gonna lift. Well, it's probably gonna lift it, but chances are it might break. So just keep that in mind. $15.99 for that. It's real lightweight though. Another great item that we have is the 5,000 lumens LED hanging shop light, $19.99. Usually Costco has these two for $20. But yeah, sometimes they'll have them, sometimes they won't. So it's just rare that they have them. Usually when they have it, I'll post it at Costco. But these are great. Costco one's a little bit better. You can link them together. But these are perfectly fine too. So $19.99. That's a good light there. 21 gallon, 1.5 horsepower. Also 175 oil-free PSI, oil-free vertical air compressor, $229. Yeah, these are great. The Deno Tools, he actually did a few videos on these, and pretty much, it was the really good upgrade from the previous central pneumatic compressors. Got a 2,000 watt super quiet inverter generator for $49.99. These are cleaner energy, so these are great for RVs and sensitive equipment, computers, TVs, and all that. Another great item here is that 8-channel surveillance TVR with 4 HD cameras, mobile monitor. I'm thinking of actually buying one of these. They're fairly inexpensive, and they work as they should. They do have 4.5 stars. These are the upgraded versions of whatever they had before. Whatever they had before was really old, and it wasn't pretty much working. So Harbor Freight did upgraded their devices, and yeah, pretty much you can access it with the smartphone and good stuff here. $229.99. Let's see what else. This is a great item here if you're starting. Um, if you don't have any tools at all, or if you just want to keep them all in one place, a good item here just depends on your preference. Me personally, I don't really like uh, people choosing whatever tools I'm gonna have. I like choosing my own tools, choosing my own ratchets, own sockets, pliers, and everything. But yeah, this is one kit here for you guys. Keep it in the truck, or if you're pretty much going out on the road. You get a 30-inch pedestal high velocity shop fan, $114.99. It's not a bad fan. It's a little loud, but heard it's real good. It throws a lot of wind and stuff. $10 off any Portland products. I do have the pressure washer. Works real good. I do have the what else do I have? The blower, the weed eater. Yeah, the weed eater, I wouldn't recommend it. Just the fact that the auto feed bottom, the auto feed thing that's on the bottom that feeds the string doesn't really work. You have to do it manually. 24 feet, 18 bulb, 12 socket outdoor string lights, $19.99. These are new item. I do have this one. I gotta say, guys, this has been a great kit. It's not really powerful. It's only 100 watts. I mean, 100 watts. It's only to power a small fan, or a TV, because usually a fan's around 60 watts, depending on the fan. TV's around 62. Around 60. So basically, a TV or a fan you can power as long as there's light. So I will recommend you guys get this if you guys just want a small kit, a battery. I would recommend getting if you guys are gonna get this, get one of those deep cycle batteries like Marine batteries or Gopro batteries plus, and get something like that, something that has more capacity of holding power. Because the ones that they sell at Harbor Freight, they're real small. So just keep that in mind when you can use the one from Harbor Freight. It's just you're not gonna store a lot of energy there. Full motion TV wall mount, $37.99. This 5 stars. These are great. All the mounts that sell by Harbor Freight are really good. So they're pieces of steel basically, and solid steel, so they can't really mess that up. Here's a good item here. I do have these. I use them to do my oil changes, to do my brake jobs, all the stuff that I need to do to my own vehicles. These are the gloves that I use. I use the 5mm on my regular work because I do pest control, so it's lighter duty or like a lighter use. You can use them for cleaning too. The 5mm. These are the 7mm. These I would recommend these for heavier work like mechanic and stuff like that. This is 12 volts lithium cordless. I don't have this personally, but I heard good things about this. Great toolbox. We seen this for $249 at the parking lot sales, so just keep that in mind. This is the 26 by 22 single back extra deep cabinets. I do have this. This in the impact driver. I gotta say, they haven't failed. They've been real powerful. They've been working. I do have a few videos on those. I have the impact driver and I have the 1/2 inch compact drill driver, and pretty much, they've been pretty good. Solid drills. I would recommend this for a contractor or maybe a DIY heavier like more frequently DIY that uses this for bigger projects. Definitely recommend this over the Bauer, and contractor grade use. Definitely Hercules. So $87.99 is a great deal. It's actually lower. I don't know if they're gonna bring a new drill in or something, because they did lower the price. So it was $89.99 before. It was $107 before. So they lowered the price. So guys, if you guys need a drill, there you go. Let's see, but these are great, especially if you're starting. You don't want to spend so much money on it. $100 will get you welding. If you can spend a little more, if you're a professional, or if you're professional to you do a lot more projects, then we'll recommend Titanium. Titanium is a great brand, and they are great welders there. Heard a lot of good things about those. 29-piece titanium drill bits. I wouldn't recommend these. Maybe for the DIY, drilling a couple holes here and there, yeah. But if you do a lot of projects, a lot of DIY, a lot of wood, a lot of steel, whatever you're working on, these are not gonna last. This is a 23 feet auto fitting handheld electric drain cleaner, $99.99. I do have this. I do have the video on my channel. I do have a couple videos where I end up using this item. Works real good. This thing's automatic. You don't even have to touch the snake. All you have to do is just pull this lever forward and pull this lever back if you want to rewind it. And if you want to put it on neutral, it's pretty much in the middle, so you can pull it manually when it's in the middle. I gotta say, it's a great gun there. Looks like a Star Trek gun right there. $99.99 for that. This is a great gun here, especially if you just have a small project. You don't want to spend so much. There you go, $9, $9.99. It's a great item here too. I do have this, the older version of this. Still, it's working. Still, I gotta do the 1-year review on this thing. It's been working real good. $29.99 for that. Great deal. Weatherproof. Yeah, these cases are real nice too. They're just a little pricey though, but yeah, they're nice. I do have the smaller version of this. I have I believe it is the 10 amp, and I've been real happy with it. I did remove all the tile from my house. I do have a couple of videos where I'm demolishing my kitchen and all that stuff. So yeah, anything that's Bauer, any hammer kit, basically a good solid hammer kit. 20-ton shot press, $144.99. $10 any Bauer tool, $10 off. And then you got the rapid pump 3-ton steel heavy duty low profile, $89.99. Usually in the parking lot sales we get this for like $79.99 cheaper. Definitely recommend any of these jacks. Even at $89.99 it's a great deal. These are great too. Anything that's Predator will be a great item. There, here you go. Here's the other one. This is the one that I have. $87.99. They did lower the price for $99.99. This was actually $107 when I got it. They did lower the price to $99, and then now they're bringing out coupons for $87.99. So definitely recommend those for you guys. This is the fan. It's pretty much the same as the other one, but it doesn't have pedestals. It has little wheels in there. Let's see here. I do have these. They did lower the price $1. It was $19.99 before. Actually, $22.99. Yeah, they did lower the price on these. So if you guys need some ratcheting wrenches, jump on these. $18.99. Definitely a great deal. I do have the ones that are solid. I haven't failed. I used them. I beat them. I still haven't broken one. So, I do oil changes. I do brake jobs. I do all kinds of stuff with to my vehicles. Let's see here, nothing catches my eye. Another great welder there. I do have a 10-inch miter saw, and it's been working great. I want to upgrade to the Admiral. These two are great. The only thing about this one, it does not include a blade. This one does. So by the time you put a blade on this, it's just about that much. And for the features you're gonna get LEDs, you're gonna laser guide, you're gonna get all kinds of stuff with this. So we would recommend you guys spending a little bit more on this. It's fairly new too. I would guess the Chicago Electric was a solid saw there, but I would guess this one's even better. So I don't have any experience myself with this, but it does have 5 stars. This is a great item here. Like I said, if you guys like the colors, go for them. If you guys want to get the best deal on these, always wait for the parking lot sales. If you guys want to see what a parking lot sale is, if you guys never seen that before, check out my videos. Put parking lot sales Toolhead 147 in the search section of YouTube. These are great. I was shopping for some of these the other day. I could not find cheaper than $30 on Craigslist or OfferUp. So definitely recommend those for $18.99. Good. This is a great light here, especially for $5. The only thing, they have to put batteries in it, but they'll last you a long time because it's LED. Let's see here. This is the one that I have. Well, it's it's just like the one that I have. It's a newer model though, but yeah, works great. I do have a couple of videos on it. I'll see if I can link them up above. If not, to just put rotary hammer. Actually, the one that I have is the 3-in-1. This was just the rotary hammer. Yeah, I have the 3-in-1 10 amp, 10.5 amp. So the one that's a little, I don't know if it's bigger than this. Yeah, it's probably bigger than this. So if you guys need a hammer, there you go. You can get that one. Or you can get the bigger one. The one that I have works real good. These gloves are great. $149, great. This is great too for $99 or 99 cents. All these items are great for 99 cents. Usually you get these for free. There's coupons out there. Same thing with this free. We haven't seen a coupon for free on this item, but it does work. I do have the video on my channel. I did get electrocuted by this thing, so you guys want to see that. That's funny. Anyways, look at electronic fly swatter Toolhead 147, and you'll see in my video. It's a little old. Some of these videos are a little old, so I do apologize. You know, I wasn't really an expert on tool reviews back then. This is one of the items I want to get. Definitely a great item here. My brother was helping me with some shocks the other day, and he was using this to jack up, to hold the car. Definitely a great item there. I do have a video of doing like putting 2 magnets back to back, and so you wouldn't have to drill or glue anything to your toolbox. Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.